Assalamu alaikum everyone, once again Satya Gondal here from Javed Publishers. Today we will be doing Kids English Grade 5 chapter number 11 and the title is How the Little Kite Learned to Fly. Today we will be doing the grammar portion of this chapter. So let's start. On page number 76 you are being asked to read your report card and write down the details. What are the details that are required? You need to write down your total marks and percentage and obtained marks and grades. You can tell your students to take out their report cards and fill in these details over here because everybody's answer is going to be different. You can tell them what is meant by total marks. Total marks are the complete marks of the whole subjects. And obtained marks mean the numbers they have received in that subject. And grades are A, B, C, D, and percentage is in the form of percentage, that is 33% or 40%, so they can put down their percentage over here. Next question is factual questions. The meaning of factual questions is that when somebody questions you factual questions, you need to give them fact-based answers. You need to give them proper reasons. You just can't say that something happens because it happens like this way. You need to give them a proper scientific or a proper technical reason that why something is happening. Let's read these lines and answer these questions factually. Read these lines from the poem and answer the given questions orally. The lines are, "Oh, how happy I am, the little kite cried, and all because I was brave and tried." Question number A is, why was the little kite so happy? The answer is, the little kite was afraid of taking challenges. She was afraid of facing problems, and most importantly, she was afraid of falling down. So when she felt that she can fly in the air freely, she felt extremely happy. Question number B, what made the little kite brave? And the answer is, when the big kite said that you are never going to learn in your life if you are not going to try. These lines made the little kite feel that she should try learning. And then she gathered up all her courage, she made some twists and turns, and finally she started flying. Next question is about speaking skills. We are going to read the dialogue, and in this dialogue today we would be learning how to lead and follow. So let's start. Waqas says, "Assalamu alaikum. Can you tell me where is the school canteen?" Tahir says, "Wa alaikum assalam. It's opposite to the library." Waqas says, "Can you show it to me? I'm new in the school." Tahir says, "Yes, sure. Follow me to the canteen." Waqas says, "Thank you very much." Tahir says, "It is my pleasure." Now, students and teachers, the lines which are showing how to lead and follow in a conversation, बातचीत में कैसे आपको पता चलता है कि आपने किसी को डायरेक्शंस कैसे बतानी है, तो यहाँ पे देखें आपको क्लियर कट वो जगहों के नेम्स बता रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वेयर इज़ द स्कूल कैंटीन? ऑपोजिट टू द लाइब्रेरी. तो जब आप किसी को लीड कर रहे होते हैं, किसी को फॉलो कर रहे होते हैं, तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू टेल देम सम इम्पॉर्टेंट प्लेसेस, टेल देम सम इम्पॉर्टेंट नेम्स, ताकि वो ईजिली उसको आइडेंटिफाई कर लें और उस जगह पे पहुंच जाएं. You have been asked to role play the above dialogue to learn about how to lead and follow. This can be easily done with the students, dear teachers, and we have been doing this practice in these classes. Next question is about parts of speech. You have to point out nouns, verbs, adjectives, pronouns and prepositions from this poem. Now you all know what nouns are. Nouns are simply the names of anything, or you can say anything is a noun. Verbs are any action. Adjectives are the quality of the noun. Pronouns are any word used in place of noun. For example, he, she, it. And prepositions show you the place. For example, over, under, above. Now let's identify, let's point out these 5 parts of speech from the poem. Nouns would be kite, head, sky. Verbs, looked, fall, fly. Adjective, tranquil, little, big. Pronouns, I, he, they. Prepositions, over, around, at. थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर वॉचिंग। अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा और जुड़े रहिएगा बोलती किताबों के साथ।